want to go home.
Well, what's going on? What happened with your boyfriend?
We were supposed to be engaged, and she's been cheating on me with his first girlfriend.
Police responded to a complaint about a vehicle blocking a driveway, but the situation quickly turned into a DWI investigation when officers suspected the driver had been drinking. What happened next led to an emotional arrest and repeated refusals to cooperate.
Hey.
Hello.
Hi, I just read your colleague again. She is pissed drunk. You need to breathalyzer. She's in her car right now. Before she goes, you need to breathalyzer.
I'm going right now.
Swinging each way as she walked into that car.
Alright.
Hi, I'm sorry.
Just hold on a second, man. Well, you been drinking tonight?
I had one glass of wine.
Somebody just stated that you may be drinking. You were swerving.
I'm fine. I have my pen.
Do you have your license on you?
I'm fine. Honestly. Got in a fight with my boyfriend. I just want to go home.
Well, what's going on? What happened with your boyfriend?
We were supposed to be engaged, and she's been cheating on me with his first girlfriend from like 5 years ago. Honestly, like right now I'm trying to, like, my cousin lives on, and I'll keep my car here and I'll just go to.
Just hold on one second, alright?
This has literally been the worst day of my life.
MC14.
Go ahead.
Anybody certified field sobriety?
Isn't just right down the street?
Say it again? Just hold on a second, okay?
Repeat that for
Can I just get my purse?
Just
1320.
you can sit down, just shut the vehicle off, and put the key on top.
What have I done?
Can you just do me a favor and do that for me, please? Thank you.
105 on the ground location.
Please.
Hold on a second, man.
1320.
Did I park in the wrong spot?
So, let me explain to you.
I know this is like
Let me
what I thought.
Okay, let me just explain to you what happened. So we got a phone call that your car was blocking the driveway.
But the driveway's right here.
Yes, I know, I understand that, but your bumper is overlapping the line of the driveway. So that's why that's the initial call that I got to come in. Then when I got here, the caller notified me that, quote unquote, you're pissed drunk, and to check you out.
Do I seem pissed drunk? No.
You don't, but I have someone.
I'm very upset.
I have somebody coming that's field sobriety that would know, so I have to just double check before I let you leave.
Hi, officer. I'm just trying to leave. I am so sorry. I parked in this. I thought right here is like the garage. I'm so sorry. I'll go to.
Right now you can't leave. Alright? Stay here for now.
Just hold on a second, all right? We're situated in a second, all right?
For what? I'm gonna call my mom. My family lives here. As long as they're not blocking the driveway, you're fine, right?
So let me just give you this. So what happened was we were here for a block driveway,
I'm in
and
Hoboken,
the bumper is
I'm
hanging
not
over the
blocking
line.
driveway.
And then the person that
you're
called
trying to
also
say
said
that-
she's pissed drunk and she just got. So we just. I mean, she was in the car. She didn't.
With my Dr. Leva father, the mayor of Saddle River. Thank you. My parents are coming. But, like I said, driveway, clear. I have done nothing wrong.
Ma'am,
I am sorry that I have had a hard day.
Ma'am, I'm sorry to hear that. I explained to you already why we were here. It's because your bumper was overlapping the line of the driveway.
Here.
I understand that.
Officer.
I understand that, but it's a tight turn for the residents. I'll say that. So I originally got called here for a block driveway. So it's over the line and everything. And I came back to fill out the summons, and then the caller called back and said that she goes, I think this person's pissed drunk, and you have to check her out. She was in the car, but she didn't move the car or anything like that.
She was sitting in the driver's seat though?
Yes.
The engine was on and all that?
Yeah, the car was on.
Okay. So when you saw her in the...
She was in the driver's seat.
Okay.
Right. But the car wasn't moved that I know of.
Okay.
Because I looked up, I don't know if she is drunk, I just,
Yeah.
from my eyewitness.
She's very well. She's very
Mom,
You right? You doing it?
yeah, but what do we have first?
I believe that she's intoxicated. She was in the passenger.
I'll give you the rundown what happened. So
Was she in the... Apparently my car, I can take a picture,
she had the
was
car on.
blocking...
The car wasn't moving. I went up to the window. I said, "Ma'am, have you been drinking tonight?" And she said she did have a drink. And then she got out the car and said, "I'm gonna go home. I'll walk
Yeah,
home."
because my boyfriend cheated on me. I'm sorry.
She didn't say it,
My
but she said
parents are
someone.
mom.
Okay. And she got out of the car. She had the vehicle on when she was sitting in the car.
Right
Yeah.
now.
Okay. Okay.
So
What's
they're
your
gonna
name?
perform a
I'm
test.
Brittany.
So for now,
My name is Officer Royal. I'm going to be dealing with you today. Just letting you know where we record audio and video. I have to do a
I
series of
understand,
tests.
but I don't understand why. Because I'm not even in the garage, like, parking.
Have you come here? It's because technically the car was on fine according to the officer that was here. So I just have to do a series of tests. If you pass the series of tests, then you could be on your way.
My father's a doctor. He's going to be coming.
That's
Mom.
perfectly fine. I just need to do a series of tests
Mom.
based off of the observations that my
My mom and dad said I don't have to. There's no reason why I should.
you can deny it. It's up to you.
I deny it.
So you're not going to conduct the field sobriety test? You understand that
Please put dad on the phone.
you understand that if you do decline the test, we have to go off of our observations and statements that you did admit that you were consuming alcohol today.
Dad, because my car, I'll send you a picture, is blocking a little bit, not even, the garage, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops here trying to say, I don't know,
What's your father's name, sir? Can you hear me?
Dr. Leva.
Dr. Leva?
Yeah.
Dr. Leva, sir, my name is Officer Roy from the Hoboken Police Department. The reason being that I got requested, I'm a certified field sobriety officer. The initial officer on scene, your daughter was in the vehicle and it was on. It is properly parked. It's slightly in the driveway a little bit, but nothing out of this ordinary world. But due to the initial officer, she admitted to drinking today while the vehicle was on, which is why I'm literally.
Vehicle was
I got
not
requested
on
to come
because
to the scene.
it's a fog.
Does that mean that she was driving it?
So when the vehicle's on, it's technically being operated technically through like the state law. So I just have to do a series of tests. If she doesn't want to, that's perfectly fine. She has her own right to do so. She doesn't have to if she doesn't want to. But we're going to have to go based off of the initial officer's observation. If I conduct the test and she passes, she gets to go on her merry way and we
How do I know you don't just like make me?
But I'm just explaining everything.
I want my lawyer.
It's parked properly, but it's partially in the driveway,
want my
which was
lawyer.
the initial call in the first place. I was not the initial officer on scene. I only got requested here because I'm a certified field
Right now,
sobriety officer.
I want my
Again,
lawyer.
I was not the initial officer on scene.
I want
At the end of the day, I
I
could do the
said
series of tests, and if she doesn't want to, that's perfectly fine. But I do want to explain everything because then it's going to go based off of the initial officer that was on scene's observations on how we proceed forward. That's the only thing that I could be able to explain because, again, I was requested to come to the scene.
Well, she decides not to. I mean, she wasn't driving.
I got out of the car crying because my boyfriend cheated. What is going on? I just want to leave and go to my family's house. I request my lawyer.
Okay, that's fine.
So I'm just explaining to you because I know she's upset, and I just want to explain to the best of my abilities. If you have questions for me, I'm more than willing to answer those questions for you to the best of my abilities.
Do the test. You're gonna arrest her.
It would be based off of the initial officer's observation. It wouldn't be my actual call. I'm just here to be a certified officer to conduct tests. If she doesn't want to, that's not my call because I wasn't the initial officer on scene in regards to the observations that he observed for me to even respond to this location.
I was crying in the car was not on.
Your father wants to speak.
Dad, I was crying in the car was not on. I want to call. Alright, I'm gonna call Adam right now. Are you gonna tow the car? Because
We wouldn't tow the car because it's
legally parked.
Like I said, that's not what I came here for.
I don't understand this.
I explained and I explained to your
My parents are
father.
gonna come pick me up. I refuse any tests. I'm calling my lawyer. This
So
is
she's
not
refusing
okay.
the test. How do you guys want to proceed forward?
I'm calling the lawyer. Here, excuse me, my father, Mayor. Here.
I already spoke to your father, and I've been respectful.
Can I speak to the officer again, please?
Go ahead, sir.
Are you towing the car?
No, the car is legally parked right now.
Okay,
Like I said,
I can go pick up the car, correct?
if you want to pick up the car, that's perfectly fine. Literally,
Okay.
it's maybe an inch into the driveway, but like I said, I wasn't the initial officer for this original calling. I'm the certified officer that conducts
Okay,
the
so wait,
series of
okay,
tests.
I'm gonna come down and pick up the car.
Okay. Do you have the location of where the car is? It's going to be right across from 113 14th Street
113 14th Street.
in Hoboken, New Jersey.
Here, let me write that down.
You can also put in 1320.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
1320 Bloomfield Street. Yes, sir. All right.
Who's that?
No problem.
Dr. Leva.
Okay.
He's on the mayor and Sarah.
Okay.
I'm
just trying to be cognizant
I'm
because
sorry,
you're-
but this is like, I don't understand what's going on.
Well, you have to understand, man, is that
No, I don't.
You're in a vehicle, right? The vehicle is on, you're in the driver's seat. That is operation of a motor vehicle. By law, that's operation. So
My car is not on.
doesn't even have to be on. If you're in the driver's seat of that vehicle, that is operation. Once you enter the vehicle, you're operating that vehicle. Now, you admitted that you were drinking earlier to the officer, okay? So now, based off that, he's requesting an officer to come and do field sobriety test for you. If you
I thought I was drinking at 12 a.m. yesterday. I'm in the medical field. My
Okay.
family has 5 generations.
So you haven't had a drink today. You said you drank last night.
Yes.
So why would you say you drank earlier?
Did I? I said I was at City Bistro. I said I got into a fight with my boyfriend.
You also said that.
Right? I just wanted to. I said, let me
Okay.
go.
But you have to. Okay. So this is what I'm getting at. You admitted that you were having drinks, right? He was requesting a field sobriety officer to come conduct tests for you. If you refuse it, which you can, you refuse the test. But now he has to go based off our observations. Your admission to drinking, your slurred speech,
What?
your appearance,
But
your,
how is
your
what are you-
unsteadiness. It's not good for you if you don't do.
Excuse me. Cameras here.
The body cameras are
I
active.
know my rights.
I'm not, and you are within your rights to refuse. But like I said, then we have to go off our observation. So we're gonna ask you one more time. Are you willing to?
I need to speak to my lawyer.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna ask you. Are you willing to conduct the field sobriety test with this officer? Say yes or no, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
All right. I'm asking you a question. Are you gonna be willing to conduct the
Miss,
test?
it's not calling. I can see it from right here.
Sorry.
But can you just answer my supervisor's question, please? If you're willing to conduct the field sobriety series of tests that I would be able to conduct today? It's just you can say yes or no.
No.
Okay.
No? Okay.
All right. So Joe, send me a 1025 Springer up, and that's it.
Can you please turn around for me? You could put your phone. We'll be able to.
Can I please just speak to my
We
lawyer?
gave you plenty of opportunities.
No, you didn't. She even said you weren't.
Miss, you gotta turn around and put.
Yeah,
Can you
Gabby, back,
please
please.
put your phone?
Again, on your back, all right?
Hello? Mom, they're arresting me.
Man, you gotta.
I don't know. Please stop hurting me.
We're not hurting you.
Stop resisting.
You're gonna get your phone back,
miss, okay? Remember, everything's
Yeah,
being recorded.
I'll talk to her.
Got it here. Just relax.
Why are you arresting her? Why? Why?
Just breathe.
Why? What am I being arrested for?
Like I said, you're in a vehicle, you're
No,
operating.
I wasn't.
All right, then you can argue that in
You
court.
have that. No, I wasn't.
Okay. Like I said, you can argue that in court, but you're in the car, you're in the front driver's seat. That is operation.
No, it wasn't. You have video of that? No, it wasn't.
I'm just trying to double up.
I'll do that.
We're past that point. We offered you the opportunity, and you chose not to do it.
I asked to talk to my lawyer.
That's fine. You can do that, but you still
No,
have
but
to.
I asked to talk to my lawyer before.
Okay, that's fine.
Mark, can you just
But
grab
you
her
you
glasses?
still have to
Yeah,
test.
just so I
You
don't
have to
want her
ask
to
you that.
get
If you refuse,
injured.
then we have
Just-
to go on observation. It was explained to you in full detail.
I'm gonna take her to 3.
Okay. Yeah, bring her.
Miss, can you follow me, please?
Where's the keys to the car?
Okay.
Where's the keys to the car, man?
Mom?
Are the keys in the car, man?
Mom? No, I didn't refuse. No, I didn't.
I don't even know.
Ma'am,
I didn't refuse. Just let me do the sobriety
We're
test.
past that point already.
Come on.
You gotta go inside.
Come on, ma'am. Inside.
Please. Stop resisting and please sit into the vehicle.
1 o'clock. Go ahead. We're going to have one thing go 10 o'clock here.
I did nothing wrong.
1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
Alright, 2, 3, be advised. Myself and Officer Lombardi are going to be transporting this female to headquarters. It's going to be starting mileage is 35484.0. 35484.0. For the notes, can you please indicate that this female refused any field for sobriety test being performed at this time? They got the key?
They got it, yeah.
Can you ask her if she minds if we move her vehicle up so it's out of the border?
He said no.
Oh, that's fine.
And her dad's gonna come pick up the car. Sorry. He's gonna come pick up the car.
Please give him. That's my Louis Vuitton $500 key. I'm dead. I was walking to my boyfriend. My parents are going to get me, please. Why? Dad, let me talk to my lawyer. Why? Why won't you let me talk to my lawyer?
Miss, we'll talk about this when we get to
No, I
headquarters.
want to know why you wouldn't let me talk to my lawyer. You took my phone. Please explain to me why.
You have been placed under arrest for DWI, miss. When I will explain everything and walk you through the process to try to make this as easy as possible.
For being in a car where my keys weren't in, I know the law.
And again, I will explain everything because you do have the right to a lawyer and you'll be able to fight this in court. Which is good that you already have a lawyer in mind.
That's illegal.
You actually tried calling him twice and he didn't answer.
You even said it yourself that you never pressed send. I tried. So what you did is not legal.
Okay, like you'll have all my information. If you want to sue me in the future, you have the right to do that.
I was going nowhere. My parents said, leave the car there, they're coming. I don't understand what's going on.
Again, I'll explain it to you.
This is abuse.
I'll explain it to you in
This
person.
is actually abuse.
If you feel that way, again, you'll have my information and you can sign a complaint.
I'll take the test and you wouldn't let me.
That's actually false. We asked you several times.
Is it legal to not allow you to call a lawyer? I asked multiple times. So I'm actually studying to be a lawyer. I know this isn't.
So then you have the right to sue us and you can sign a complaint against us.
Currently a parked vehicle in New York, Golf Charlie Delta 8077. Right now with a caller, it's parked on the side of 133 Jackson. One end is over the white line and leaving the garage. Both saying you can't get into the car, so going back on the corner. Alright, thank you. There should be a 2018 Ford Escape color white. Go about it. Let me see if I can get it. Full number. So that they
Okay, new mileage is going to be 35485.2. 35485.2.
Should have got this belt on. Alright? You got it? Okay.
So not right. This is not right. I asked you to do the test.
I'm going to have to take this out of your breast.
Go ahead.
Just hold on 1 second. Wait.
Hold on, man.
That's right.
I want to call my lawyer.
Can you please go into the room, please?
Yeah, I want to call my lawyer.
Miss, can you please stand up? I have to take the cuffs and do another search, please. You can actually face the glass. When I release one hand, you're going to put it right on. Can you spread your legs for me a little bit? Thank you. Place it right on the wall, on the glass, please. Your hand goes right on the glass. Yep. And same thing with this hand. Are you left or right-handed?
Right. I have no underwear on.
It's we don't do strip searches here, so I'm not gonna be strip searching you. We don't do that in the police department. Can you face me, please? Open your mouth. Tongue up. Have a seat for me right here. Let me get one sandal at a time, please.
What?
Pass me your sandal one at a time. You'll get them right back. It's just part of our protocols and procedures. Just one sandal at a time. Thank you.
I have nothing, I promise.
I understand that, but there's just procedures that I have to do so I don't get in trouble. So you can put those back on.
My parents will be here.
Probably, where do your parents reside? That's probably like a good 35-minute drive. Your dad already said that he was gonna be on his way down here, so they'll probably be here within the next.
What's gonna happen? I don't understand what I did.
I'm gonna explain it to you in a second. Just give me 1 second, please. Miss, can you hold on?
I'm sorry if I'm doing anything wrong.
Alright, deactivating this time.
This case highlights how a seemingly minor complaint can quickly develop into a criminal investigation when officers observe signs of possible impairment. Throughout the encounter, officers repeatedly explained the purpose of the sobriety tests and provided the driver with opportunities to participate in the investigation. However, her decision to refuse, those tests meant officers had to rely on their observations and the other evidence available to them. The incident also serves as a reminder that emotions can play a major role during police encounters. While the driver was clearly upset and overwhelmed by the situation, officers still had a responsibility to investigate the complaint and make decisions based on the facts available at the time. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you believe the officers handled the situation appropriately, or would you have approached it differently? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy real police body cam footage, law enforcement breakdowns, and educational commentary on criminal justice encounters, be sure to subscribe to Apex Cop Watch, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.